So this is my O11 Dynamic Air. As you can see, there's a pump and a reservoir. The back of the case, power supply up top. I was going to put the pump and reservoir at the top, but after doing just some basic, analysis, it was like, well, if the water drips, I don't want it to drip on the power supply. So I just reversed the placement. It looks like I also have a decent amount of space for running my power cables. The fan set that I use really knocked down the number of fans, but here's the beauty of this thing. I actually have a front radiator on this guy. So as you can see, we've got three 360s and we have a 240 in the front. I think this is a PE in the front. I can't remember, but so these are my runs. My daughter is not cooperating, but came out fairly decent. Got some thick tubing. These are some master fans from what is these guys? Cooler Master, yeah. I'm going for a black and chrome theme, so I'm actually going to spray paint these tubes, but it looks pretty nice clear, so I'm a little still debating whether I want to do it, but that's where we're at now. Ran the leak tester yesterday and it was not pumping, so I think I got a leak in there that I got to figure out.